You know I no laugh. Or you know I just giggle.
I'm just going to move on.
No, because I don't watch her before, but nobody these guys they do it. Now you both they just go to their own local. Even the local self, you still need some power. What's wrong with you?
The thing just done me, not very no guesses. All right, welcome to this thing. You don't ash my lipstick. You know, waiting they see they are different from waiting in my mouth.
No
you agree?
No be lie.
Very, very different.
No be lie. But well, anyhow it say be, you still get color of mouth, so you still blend. No worry, you are still in the right frame of mind.
Calligraph. I'm in the right calibration. Okay, all right, welcome to Paddy Paddy. My name now Mayowa, in name now Ogbolo. As they know, Griot introduce ourselves, we just come. We say, hey, they say break.
Yeah.
So, welcome aboard the show.
Yeah.
All right, so they're going to give us Yan the Yan or...
Yan the Yan, before they go Yan course, come up for the Yan the Yan. So quickly, please, let's go for Yan the Yan. I'm over right.
All right, so what?
I'm in the mood, I just not nothing. Kilo chair, stay walk, kilo chair. You have to be a professional now.
So,
why the shout from corner like this?
No worry, make I shout. So, one woman,
what
she didn't come out from...
Yeah, come back this place now. If no man, you could run around this whole place. Pada.
One woman for United
No
Kingdom.
woman do anything. Come back for this place now.
Why? Give me 2 reasons why I go come back.
2 reasons, because 1, you need the table. 2.
I don't need the table. I can do without it.
Wait. 2, I need the space to be a bit more professional too. And 3, you are going out of church. 4, no major reason.
What if I want to do corner kick? Where I did so? What if na corner kick I want kick? Where I did so? What if I want kick corner kick? Where I did so?
All right, Mayowa. Come back.
You have to beg me.
See, I try. You see yourself.
You have to beg me. Say please.
You don't carry yourself. Go corner of the.
I don't want to know. Even if not half of my face they show, you have to beg me. Because you threatened me just now.
Yeah, I don't threaten you anything now.
Your action was threatening.
No.
Your action was threatening.
I say.
So one woman.
You see, sometimes it just happens, say by mistake, we just go off key. So right now we are back on key.
We are back on.
No. All right.
So this particular woman for inside United Kingdom, she been they come back. All right, and I don't know what she went shopping, grocery shopping. I don't know what she buy, but somehow, Queen Bee, you know bees. Bees, where they sting. The queen, you know, you get one particular one where they call Queen Bee, where they are oga.
Yes.
Queen Bee somehow patch for the back of her car.
Okay.
So that wiper where they back, you can't hook for there.
Oh.
Now, before she goes, say make I just enter, go pay for something, come out. See, the remaining bees don't fly. Full her door. Oh, this is so gory. Oh,
he scratched me for body. He scratched me for body. He did to
before you know what don't happen, they don't pack full her motor. As she come out, say, waiting happen. For some time, she can't call all these bee rescue people then where they come. Now in then come try over 20,000. Now in they there. Now in then come try. I will carry this picture come out. It don't do. It's affecting me. Please. Now in then carry this thing come out. Then scrape them come out. Now unknown to them, the queen, they don't know say that the queen bee be the problem.
Yes.
Because at that part of during that season of the year, bees they always like follow their queen bee.
Naturally, they don't bees always, or they don't protect them.
Yes.
Now their work, they always protect their queen. You hardly see the queen.
Yeah, because now they multiply them past.
Yes.
So
you hardly see them.
As them bring her come out, they don't realize say the queen bee still there.
For them.
Now after 28 hours, the woman can't go house. Not being she go house, pack her car. Some of them follow her.
They follow her.
They follow her. Now when she reach house, she can't say make her. She won't go one dinner of her friend dinner, and then she come out. See another set on top her car.
They don't show.
They don't follow her again.
Close your eye. Make them show the thing. Just for people to understand, Mona could show the thing again for screen. My wife don't close eye. She don't close eye. Okay. So
So this now another set will follow her. As they can't reach, now she can't call another set of. Now she can't call another set of people again. You understand?
Yeah.
She can't call another set of people. Now, one particular guy among the next set of bee, where they tame bees, they went call. Now, he talk, say him bring a cardboard box to take swipe them, put inside.
Okay.
Say, I think for him to get him out of there, he had about 20 stings.
But they go sing
for that matter, about 20 stings. Say now, when he don't finish, he can't realize, say, he can't realize, say, Queen no dey for inside the box. They don't already go. He can't realize, say, the queen no dey inside the box. He can't know, say, for them to dey follow them like this, you go get where the queen dey, and then go back. Before they read another set, don't fool am.
Gwagada. Yeah.
No being the guy can't can't comot the queen.
The queen.
Now only then the woman safe. She comot the queen. Because when they go there, they see Queen Lex box of bee. So they went back to go and get the queen.
The queen was nowhere to be found.
I'm telling you.
All of them going to shout, back to the motto, back to the motto.
I'm telling you.
But either way, we thank God they no rush the woman, because too much big stings fit kill.
Of course.
Too much.
But this one, when they sting this guy, he already take measures, now he walk. So he already know what to do, what not to do. He know waiting to drink. He know waiting to take raw body. They always wear that their gadgets so that when the bee strike, you know go. Some of them you know go pierce, you know go get through their skin. Yeah.
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen,
but that was gory though.
My own, I have to do man. You
I
understand?
know.
Yeah.
CB.
Now they try yourself. You understand? Ouch.
Pay you.
I am.
What?
I am. All right. Now, for my own gist, you see, so many things we as human beings, we fit took our hand into. I mean, not necessarily go read for the 4 walls of university. Some of these things, the way you personally, based on passion, if you just carry waka, enter some kind level, just to make sure, say, at least your country or your people, they okay. Now, be the story of this Somali, Jana Jihad, now be the boy named, 10 years old boy. Normally, every 10-year-old, if you remember when you're 10 years old.
No.
You know if you remember your 10 years old. Yeah, I remember my own. I remember my own.
I
10 years. I remember saying my mama
I
one
remember
birthday.
my childhood, but I don't remember if I was 10 or 9 or 11 or
my own 10 years old, I do. The only thing I remember for that 10 years old when I reached, and I want party my mama do for me birthday. She covered streets.
10th year birthday.
My 10th year birthday. Me and my twin sister. Oh, we covered the food. They no see this particular children that day.
And candy stick.
No, I say the full area show and I dance that time thing. So we just come up, and the only thing I remember my 10th year of age. So this 10 years old girl, Jana Jihad, name be her name. She been get one friend who been there older than her. Now Palestinian people now they be. And for that side they do all this their fight every time. So now she based on say she don't find out say her friend can't die because of one of the wahala wey happen for Palestine for that place. So it's in pain now when she see the blood everywhere. But they don't can't give the gist fully. So now as we talk now, the girl don't become the youngest journalist. Where they report things where they happen for inside their area. I know most times when media carry the whole gist, media always carry half of the gist.
Yeah.
You understand? Sometimes to make them look bad. So she say they not be terrorists. Say she won't prove to the world now. Say they not be terrorists. Say army they fight themselves will be the people that wait for that town. You understand? So many things now about politics and all that. So now she they always go outside, carry her small camcorder or her mama iPhone. She go they do some kind of recording. And we get small audio, make we just watch and small.
من هنا من وقفة تضامنية مسيرات شعبية تنتفض اعتقلوها للمرة الثانية. I began that work when I saw a lot of things that happen without journalists, without covering those things. Like when my friend Mustafa has been killed, when my uncle Rushdie has been killed. إصابة طفل صغير بعمر 9 سنوات في يوم المرأة العالمي. تم إصابته في صواريخ صغيرة. I said try to not be a journalist, to cover those things and send to the world as a child, sending like the Palestinian children message and my message and our message.
Oh, she will study Harvard, all right?
Oh, no,
She will study journalism in
based
Harvard,
on
all
this,
right?
this one are
Definitely.
natural passion.
Yes, it's obvious. It's
natural
very
passion.
obvious. Because this kind of people, they don't go rest.
They don't go rest until they get out truth.
And that is the kind of enthusiasm we want you to have towards whatever it is you love
Maya,
to do.
we were born intelligent children. We must born
No,
intelligent
we don't have a choice. Have you seen us?
We no get-
We're
ah,
not
no.
smart people. I mean,
Seriously. Please, if you know say you they watch right now, and you personally, you know say you're not too sharp like that.
Yeah.
You understand? Personally, you know say
because you go know if
you
your
go
IQ not too
you're not
blessed.
you're not too sharp.
You're not too
you
blessed
understand?
like that.
I take
May
God
find
beg
person
you.
we go upgrade them.
If you never marry person way in own sharp.
We go upgrade them for you.
Yes, so one day there will be
Yeah.
an upgrade.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
but if your type go marry your type,
It's something like a collision.
Yes.
In fact, I want to talk now. If only they can put it in the constitution. You know,
Yeah.
say if you want marry, you go check genotype, you go
Yeah.
check blood group.
Yeah.
But then they check IQ level.
Maybe-
too.
yes.
You understand?
Please.
There should be some kind of machine. Things they
It will be
test
good
these
for the
things.
country. For
It
this
will be good
country,
for
sef,
this
it go
world.
good.
Because when people they drop ideas, it go be intelligent
Yes.
ideas. You understand? Because some
Yes.
people go just talk like go just look them say,
yes. Yeah.
which kind sense?
You know,
is
some
this?
children, some Akamu children. You know, say,
Some children go, oh, you go don't wonder say,
A for what? A for.
Alebu.
What are you saying?
go down say-
They think, what do
And
you
the
want?
child don't do something like 12. He
I
don't
want,
even.
you don't like 12, 13, 15. Say,
You
I
can't
want
want-
drink Akamu. You go and slap your head.
They can't they wonder. So please, help.
Please,
We're not really. Children are beautiful things. We love children, and the one we not too blessed, if you learn them. So even if you don't get the one we not blessed, get patience with them. You understand? So they go feed.
Something like the picture we showed yesterday. 2 plus 2.
Child.
The guy they draw
They
hand.
draw the hand. It's just funny.
Now person born.
It's
that's,
funny, it's
you understand?
funny.
That's a combination of 2 IQ. We're not to.
At the same time,
Yeah.
help your children. Give
Yes.
them movies, give them books, have patience, spend time with them so that you can upgrade their
Yes.
IQ level. You
Yeah,
understand?
you know.
That's
All
the
right,
thing.
so at this point, ladies and gentlemen, we'll rush, go break. By the time we come back quickly, we all do all the ones that we're supposed to do before we come up for the show, okay? So don't go anywhere. When they come back, now still the party. Joe! Hey.
Okay, I don't put them on top of us. Just so you know, our gisting is not really only in the show. It is also outside the show.
Yeah, we are personal too. We go very personal. Okay? You understand? They say they call us something.
Now, Sabi, that is your... No, Buna put the mic for our... Everything we talk, no, Buna there.
Now, wait. Why this thing? Why this thing at cost?
Why?
Not like this. Why?
True. Please,
Why?
come on Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. Tell us why
Why
this
they
thing
do like
na
that?
cause.
You think me?
Why?
Me?
Even if you don't talk anything, just do like this. Why na cause?
Why? Who invent them?
Who invent this thing?
Some small children. Oh, you go give them. Go.
You can't do like this thing. Oh, they go do like this, they go do like this thing.
So now that
From down.
so you put hand for pocket. You know see what they do. All right, so quickly, we still get one more gist.
All right, so Japanese boy don't they missing now for the past 3 days. Reason because yes, for the past 3 days, and they say the boy is stubborn. Where say waiting happen. Be say in parents. Okay, they find them. In parents complain after like 24 hours. Say they don't find them. They no see them. Say then they day with and they don't know waiting happen in just come out. Now the thing where they be said for inside the woods of northern Hokkaido for inside Japan, now the boy lost. And they say beer, all the local beer,
Yeah,
BEAR,
yeah.
then full day and then they very aggressive. Now when they come, they question them, they press them. Now the parents come talk say, okay, see waiting happen true. Our pikin they stubborn. They go stand for all the throw struck to people and stones. Now we carry them, put them for there as punishment. But the papa say he no put them there for more than 5 minutes. As in I just come out for her. As in put them there, can't go hide for one place, make the punish the boy.
Yes.
Now he saying I no come out. Say he no pass 5 minutes when he I come out. when he turn back like this, he no see the boy again. Say they don't search for him the whole day. They don't search, comb everywhere. They no see him before the guy can report. As I speak to you now, over 150 rescuers and police officers now they comb that whole place now. They find the boy. In fact, they say 2 people don't die that month because of that beer. So the mama now they fear, everybody they fear. And they say it's hard saying you go follow person because people know the 2 pass that place. So that's the situation.
And how old be the boy?
3.
Yeah? 3.
The boy 7-year-old. His name na Yamato.
Yamato. Yamato
Tano Oka.
Yeah. The boy don't baffle. She be the one punish him. It will serve 2 purposes. The punishment go real. At the same time, you say we will carry picking put for bush just to say punish him. I take your back parents, I beg, make us they do punishments, make you shall know the measures we go take to punish your children because some things, some kind of punishment will just turn out to become for the worst.
I'll tell you what, you know,
so
say this kind of thing.
Careful.
Sorry, my love. You know, say this kind of thing, it is funny. It just be like women and picking. If they take care of picking, maybe you get twins, for example. You they tie diaper for the other one. The other one, they crawl 1 for chair. You know, say ordinary 1 minute where you carry your eye come out for that one. The next way you go here and if you don't fall for ground. So possibility they say, maybe somebody call and say, can't see something. So turn when it turn say, wait, I they come, make I they look this boy.
Boom, the guy move.
It can happen to anybody, but I just think that was an extreme.
Yamato.
I don't know because you know say that place is dangerous.
Yes.
As in now just maybe artificial woods where we say that people create and we feel say okay maybe in hide somewhere, but where bears and all those dangerous things there is quite.
Waiting do flogging, Waiting do flogging. Hold like this, turn and come out. They give a you go drive again.
If I even report immediately, tell them why. Because them go think, say, you know, so normally if the person lost, before you can report missing case, it has to be after 24 hours.
Yes.
But assuming you don't tell them true, say, look, now we carry and go deal.
Yes.
Even though they go charge you, say, okay, maybe domestic violence or something, but at least immediate, they go begin help you find. Now, after 24 hours, where they want to begin find
the first life first.
Now.
You know. Anyway, I believe say as now they watch people, they learn from the whole level. All right, so even for that time, maybe they allow them beat children. Maybe they go allow the guys say, that's why I like this country. Now beating, now reformat many of us head. Beating, you understand?
My mama go tell me say, "She bolog money. In no, timba no ton. In fantasy, in wa funra mi gbe lo hospital." That's how she dey touch. She go beat me. When she beats me, she go put pepper for the wound.
Yes.
Come by herself, carry me, go hospital. If they say who do and she go say yes, sir.
Yeah,
na me.
So our parents they threaten, and then they beat. So all join, and I help us today. All right. So please keep beating them. They beat oh.
Reasonably.
Reasonably. No, I know we can't beat we will keep it. No, reasonably beating. We will not die now.
Because you get the kind where your mama go smile that year, you go know say your own don't finish. She go just look you, mommy welcome.
Start to cry.
Or they just look for you. Or when they call you know say parents they get pet name.
Yes.
Like me now they call me May for house.
When they call
but
you
the day when
your
she call
real
me
name.
full name, Mayowa, Lord draw them in New
Mayowa
go wait for me for room.
Only go never get
No, only me. I go run come out, go call neighbor to neighbor.
They call you from somewhere.
Tell them Twitter.
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, Mokina Jamas on top Twitter at Wazobia Paddy.
Yes, and tell us why this is an insult.
Yes,
tell us why
like
this
we talked earlier. Tell us why this thing is an insult. Why these 5 fingers? It can be anything. It can be hello. You know, if it be I like you.
So why must it be an insult?
You are handsome. If you are beautiful. But why this thing? You don't do person like this. They cry. We say vex. Let us know on top Twitter at Wazobia Paddy and all other platforms at Wazobia TV NG, YouTube, on top Facebook. Just search for Paddy. Go see us for there and make all of us for relate. At Mayowa Ekpo at Funny Ogbolo on top Twitter.
Same thing for Instagram.
For Instagram at the same time. Okay, so for me Instagram at Ogbolo. We go see you now tomorrow. God bless you all. Have a beautiful day. Mwah.